Minister A.L. Hegg announced that the central government is advancing plans for establishing a feed mill, veterinary college and hospital in Meghalaya. These projects aim to address the state's current reliance on costly external feed sources and improve agricultural practices. The feed mill will help provide subsidized feed to local farmers. Hegg also revealed ongoing efforts to enhance the state's agricultural support through various schemes, including the CM Elevate program. The central government's commitment will address the rising costs of poultry and support farmers' self-sufficiency.
The veterinary college, already we have identified the land, already we have submitted the proposal to the government of India. So this one we want that the government of India immediately is the need of the hour for the state of Meghalaya to have our own veterinary college. The hospital. So now we're coming to the college also. So the same also we propose the veterinary college there at Kandamkola. So this one also the concept note already sent to the government of India. So now we'll be going to be ready with all the DPR and everything which is required by the government of India to submit to get this very important for the state of Meghalaya. Feed mill, veterinary college and veterinary hospital.